Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto Skill. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, altcoins explained beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. While Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate the crypto space, they aren't the only players in the game. Thousands of other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, offer unique features and use cases. Let's explore what sets them apart. In today's video, we'll explore what altcoins are, why they exist, popular altcoins and their use cases. Let's dive in. What are altcoins? Altcoins, or alternative coins, refer to all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. They were created to improve upon Bitcoin's technology or serve different purposes in the blockchain ecosystem. Some altcoins focus on speed and scalability, while others enable smart contracts, privacy, or governance. Types of altcoins. Smart contract platforms. These altcoins compete with Ethereum by providing decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. Examples: Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, DOT. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar to reduce price volatility. Examples: USDT, Tether, USDC, DAI. Privacy coins. These coins focus on anonymity and security, making transactions untraceable. Examples: Monero, XMR, Zcash, ZEC. DeFi tokens. DeFi altcoins power decentralized finance applications for lending, borrowing, and trading without banks. Examples: Aave, AAV, Uniswap, Uni, Chainlink, Link. Meme coins. These started as jokes but gained massive popularity due to community support. Examples: Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB. Gaming and metaverse tokens. Altcoins powering blockchain gaming, digital assets, and virtual worlds. Examples: Axie Infinity, AXS, Decentraland, Mana, The Sandbox, Sand. Why do altcoins exist? Bitcoin may be the first and most valuable cryptocurrency, but it has limitations. Altcoins aim to improve transaction speed and scalability, provide privacy and anonymity, offer decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts, create new use cases in finance, gaming, and the metaverse. Each altcoin serves a purpose in the evolving blockchain space. Should you invest in altcoins? Before investing in altcoins, keep in mind, altcoins can be highly volatile. Some projects are innovative, while others are speculative. Research use cases, team, and adoption before investing. Diversification is key. Don't put all your crypto investments into one project. The future of altcoins. The altcoin market is evolving rapidly, with new projects pushing the boundaries of blockchain technology. While some may fade away, others have the potential to revolutionize industries. What are your favorite altcoins? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Crypto Skill, turn on notifications for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.